I'm here with Pepe Peralta and we're looking at a propeller on Catia V6.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. And we're experimenting with the process of 3D printing this propeller. Zoom in there, Pepe, so we can see the details.
Let me try.
Click on it there with the mouse. There you go. Nice. There's a lot of detail in that propeller. Excellent. And over here you can see where we basically exported the model and brought it into the Ultimaker Cura. And here are some of Pepe's models of his boat. So you can see Pepe is a fanatic of making models and working in 3D. And over here we see the machine. It's actively 3D printing the part that we're currently working on now. So Pepe is going to 3D print that propeller. And in about maybe 24 hours, maybe 3 days, sometime from, no pressure, Pepe. We should have the full model 3D printed, and we'll be able to basically create this model. So technically, there's the model in 3D on the computer, and over here is the manufacturing production section where it is actually actively making the parts. So this is a true assembly that we are making in Catia, and this is Chicharo.
3D printing.
Alright, so we can see the actual part here, and this is Catia 3D printing, which gives us all the formats that the Ultimaker basically needs in order to make the part. So everything from STL. What are the three formats? We have STL, we have yeah, these are the two parts here. There's STL, 3M, what's the other two? 3MF and AMF are the three formats. All three of these we're getting from Catia with no problem. So fantastic. And for it being our first try, and it looks like, again, this is our first model that we're printing, and I think we're going to come out of it successful. What it's currently doing right now is, if you see here, is printing a support structure for the propeller. So the hatch pattern you see is basically a support structure that it's basically creating for the model, and you can see the level of detail that it's actively making right now. So we're looking forward to seeing this part come alive.